The Bible is not an occultic book, but it's a spiritual book. The Bible is not a book whereby you want to pray and you now draw a circle with a rectangular inside and with a dark spot that you created with one particular colored ink, and there you stand, and to curve your leg to make certain incantation. Even if you are taking Psalm 35 to do that, you are turning the Holy Script into occultic book. Whenever you are looking for rams or goats, or you are looking for birds to sacrifice, and you have a particular altar where no one enter in with you, but you have this Bible and you open it, say you know how you use your own Bible to kill people, you are not a child of God. You are a child of the devil. Devil is a destroyer. The Bible is not meant to destroy anybody.